There is little doubt that the nation's health needs to improve. With almost 31 million people in employment, the workplace provides a real opportunity to support people to keep healthy and well. Well, in response, Bupa has launched Bupa Boost, a digital platform designed to support employers to create a more positive and proactive health culture across their organisation.
The importance of health and well-being in the workplace has become a focal point for the government, having recently announced a major drive to improve the well-being of staff across the National Health Service. It's companies like Bupa who are supporting businesses to protect the health and well-being of their people. One of these ways is by exploring the role of digital and new technologies to proactively engage their workforce in their health and well-being. The health and care company has recently developed a new digital platform, Bupa Boost, which encourages employees to monitor and improve their health and well-being.
Bupa has a purpose we're all very proud of. It's about people living longer, healthier, happier lives. And that's why we see kind of the broader wellbeing agenda is really important. This agenda is kind of lifting out of HR and being discussed at a senior level. And the reason is that there's a much better understanding about the link between, the employee's health and their performance and their productivity at work.
Maintaining good health and well-being is about getting enough sleep, healthy eating and drinking, finding time to relax, as well as making sure we get some physical exercise. This is why Bupa Boost focuses on 4 key areas of health and well-being: mindfulness, relaxation, fitness and nutrition. Employees are encouraged to set personal goals and monitor their progress. Employees can define their diet, track their steps, as well as set reminders to take regular breaks. They can also take part in team or company-wide challenges. Bupa UK introduced Boost to all of its 32,000 employees in the UK, and Lee Martin, Centre Manager at the Bupa Health and Dental Centre at Canary Wharf, who is using Boost, can already see the benefits.
By using Bupa Boost, it's actually enabled me to drink my water during the day, make sure I eat breakfast, make sure I have a healthy lunch, all the things that I wasn't doing during the busier periods, and actually meant that I have more energy over a weekend and in the evening. That means I can do more things and actually enjoy the time away from work a lot more.
Both the government and employers are increasingly recognising the importance of workplace health, especially the needs of employees to be encouraged and engaged in keeping healthy and well. By using technologies people are using every day, Bupa are helping people to make small positive changes it believes can make long-lasting changes. More than 30 million people are currently employed in the UK. The What Works Centre for Wellbeing aims to distill the research in this area so as to give guidance to policymakers on how to promote wellbeing through a healthy workplace environment.
Too many companies see this issue as either an initiative or a campaign. Bowls of fruit on desks are fine, but they don't create a wellbeing strategy. What you need to do is embed wellbeing into the way that your company operates, and that requires you to have a framework where you promote the right behaviours, you intervene early when you see signs of tension, and you support people whose well-being is impaired. It's not complicated, but it does require consistent application, and most importantly, it requires a management style that's perceived as being fair and acting with integrity.
The workplace is changing, and employees have a much greater expectation in terms of the role their employer plays. Boost, was very much around engaging people in their health and well-being. The next step is about, so people, are much more aware of their health. What are the things they can do to improve their health? And that's where we're really excited. And I think that's where Bupa is quite unique, in that we're using really great technologies, but we're also using our expertise and our clinical know-how to help people make those small changes. The feedback we're getting from employees has been fantastic. I mean, we've been somewhat overwhelmed by the response and how people have engaged in Boost. And we're continuing to learn. So Boost is by no means the finished product. How our employees engage with Boost continues to inform our thinking about what are the things that are most relevant to them. And I'm sure over time, we'll start to see new trends, and we'll have to be much more progressive in our thinking and adapt our programme to be responsive to those needs.